Yeah, boot rest pros. What is there, guys? Boot rest pros. Tell me. Boot rest. I think what is the number, guys? First tell me number. Ah, 09, huh? Sure, huh? Okay. Boot rest pros 09. Mini project, that's fine, but some API. Can I make it as actor API? We are developing API, boss. Yeah, for the same thing, we develop the consumer also later. Actor API. Now I will put it as what? Mini project. I want to run both in external server and embedded server, guys. 21 version NIT, that's good. Yeah, Spring Boot REST. What is there? Say next. What is there? Spring Web, MySQL driver, Spring Data JPA. Come on. Spring Web, MySQL driver, Spring Data JS. Okay. I may connect to Oracle in future. That's why. Lambda API. Okay. Configuration processor, DevTools. DevTools. I think anything else? I think these are enough. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Yeah. Let's see what say next, say finish. Okay. Let's observe the story, guys. Next one. Here is my what, guys? Spring Boot. Last one, third. I'm not seeing it. This one, right. Okay. Yeah. First, we focus on these properties, guys. Embedded server port. Embedded server port. What is this? Server dot port 5051. Context path. What is there? Context path. Server dot servlet dot context path slash. What is there? Boot rest pros 09. Boot rest pros 09. That's good. Boot rest pros 09. Yeah. Tell me next one. Right click, new package. Com dot nt dot com dot nt dot entity. Next, new package. Com dot nt dot vivo. Next, new package. Com dot nt dot service. New package. Com dot nt dot repository. Com dot nt dot repository. Next, new package. Com dot nt dot error. Yes, I think REST controller. New package. Com dot nt dot rest. Com dot nt dot rest. So these are the things that are happening or not there. Good or bad, my dear? Come on. Okay. Yeah, boot rest pros 09. I think these are sufficient as of now. Okay, now. So now I have to think about seriously entity class development first, then Vivo class, then based on that everything. We'll start with what? Save object operation. Later one by one because no GUI today. Only testing of API is there, that too with Postman. Only backend only we are focusing, guys, right? Only backend only we are focusing. Mhm. Right, that's great. Where is this guy? Job wala, your friend. He has just not attending classes online. By coming to offline, he's attending online. Huh? Mahan Purush. Okay, class. Tell me. Ask him to study RESTful web service and microservice very without any fail. Because I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I introduced one girl called Sivangi. Okay, she got the job when she was in Spring Data JPA. Started bunking classes by assuming job has come, life is good. Okay, now they started giving what? Tasks on what? RESTful web service and microservice. Today morning, I saw her in the classroom. I asked her, why are you here? And no, sir, they are giving tasks on what? Spring Boot, REST, and what? Microservices. That's why learning is a continuous process. That is the difference between a successful person and what? Just a successful person. Successful person, they do hard work to become success and they continue that hard work to maintain that reputation. Just successful person, they just work hard until they get the success, then relax. After that, no growth will be there. Best example, Sachin and Vinod Kambli. Compared to Sachin, okay, Vinod Kambli was more talented and more talented cricketer, that to left-hand batsman, right? Both worked hard, both become successful. But after getting success, Kambli started what? Attracted to other avocations of life. Party culture. Next day morning means till night 4 o'clock partying, coming, just sleeping before the match and getting into game to play the game. So one or other it reflects. Not every day luck favors you, right? But Sachin, talented, not so talented, just talented. But he started improving his talent. Next day match is there means, okay, after going to room also he will knock the ball to stay in touch with the game. Lot of net practice and lot of knocking. He will wantedly knock the ball in the room. And that time, those days, people hesitate to stay to share room with him because night time also he will think about what? Cricket, meditation, knocking the ball with a bat. Somehow he is in that particular zone. So because of that, he has become master blaster, and other fellow has begging money. I'm not having money. Please, someone help. Yes or no, na? So you should do hard work to become successful and to maintain the reputation also. Yeah, I think few days back, both Sachin and Kamli both shared the same stage, and Sachin somehow not neglected Kamli kind of thing. Though Kamli requesting Sachin, I will sit with you or something, something. Sachin not shown that much interest and people started trolling. Sachin is bad guy, all these things. But I never agree that why Sachin should care Kamli. He should care himself, right? Fine. So actor entity. Okay. Actor entity. That's the entity class, guys. What is there, guys? Private integer AI. Private string AI. Next. Yeah, listen, guys. Remind me, I'll keep in the Facebook, our chat in a group also. Uh, there's a company who do outsourcing. They are looking for 20 candidates on Spring Boot microservices, Java full stack, in fact. Java full stack, 2022 passed out, 2023 passed out students they are looking for, right? You need not to arrange document, nothing. You are having that profile, you join, they conduct interview, they recruit you, okay? Once you clear the interview, they give training on other technologies, BI and other thing, AI and other stuff. 4 5 months training will be there. Then they will send you to their client locations. You'll be the employee of Nishi Technologies. Okay, 4 months training. During that time, they will pay you. And after getting into other client organization also, they pay you. Okay. So if anyone interested, okay, interested on this particular profile, nearly 20 plus openings are there. Okay. Full stack is the requirement, especially just now I spoke with him. Okay. Spring Boot REST and what? Microservice is the prerequisite. Okay, I think you are already started learning REST. By that time, it will filter, they filter your resume, call for interview. You'll be entering into microservice also. No problem, you apply it. But condition is you should be 2022 and 2023 passed out. So that they will prepare profile for you and they will push you to their client organization. You need not to arrange a document. You need not to waste your money and you need not to put your brain there. Everything they take care. Right? I think 1 2 people approached me how to get the job by showing gap as experience. For them, it's a definitely golden opportunity. Right? Okay. So private string AID, tell me. Private string what? Address. What is there? Private double remuneration. Remuneration. Next what? Private double remuneration. I'm interested to deal with the date, guys, because let's see what happens if I deal with the date. Local date DOB. Local date DOB. These are data properties, na boss? These are data properties. All these are what? Metadata properties. All these are what? Metadata properties. At the rate entity. At the rate table. Name is equal to actor underscore entity. Okay, MP underscore actor. That's enough. Actor underscore table. MP underscore actor underscore table. At the rate data. What is that? At the rate data. Tell me, boss. Okay, we want to have all args constructor. No arg constructor. Required arg constructor. Here is what? At the rate ID. At the rate sequence generator. Name is equal to gen1. Sequence name is equal to AID underscore sequence. Initial value 1000. Tell me, initial value is how much, guys? 1000. Next one. Allocation size 1. Allocation size is what? 1. Okay, fine. I'll take a MP underscore, mini project underscore. Yeah, tell me next one. Okay, generated value. Generator is equal to gen1. Strategy is equal to sequence. Strategy is equal to sequence. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. Copy this. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. That's fine. Okay. We are ready with this one or not there? So now we have to worry about metadata properties, guys. Red shirt, be active. 7 p.m. right is. Go out and wash your face and come back. Huh? 7 p.m. I think my voice looking like a uh, mother's childhood song, it seems. Yeah. Yeah. What is there? Private integer update count. Or I want to take this one as a version property or not there. Yeah. Tell me. At the rate version. Yeah. Tell me, boss. At the rate version. If you want to control, you can specify the column name. I want to continue the default name. Private date, private local date time. Yeah, created on. What is there? Actor created on, not sounding good, Babu. Actor created on, not resisted on. That's fine, na? Okay, joined on, fine. Resisted on is sounding good. Yeah, resisted on. Control plus shift plus O. Yeah, tell me. At the rate creation timestamp. Tell me. Next one. Private local date time updated on. Updated on or last updated on. One and the same. Okay. Updated on. At the rate update timestamp. Okay, fine. Then we also put what, my dear? Private string created by private string. What is there? Updated by next private string active SW. What W? Active SW. Active SW switch, enable, disable. This is useful for soft deletion, boss. Metadata properties are always good for what? Soft delete. Okay, that's good. Tell me. At the rate string values, better to control the length. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. Everyone understanding my statement or not? Except ID properties, for remaining property, I want to get parameterized constructor now, guys. At the rate non-null. Copy this. At the rate non-null. That's good. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. So we are taking non-null properties are not there here. At the rate non-null. Yeah, that's good. Actor entity dot Java. Huh? Yeah, here we have to write those column names also. That's a good thought. At the rate column. Yeah, tell me, boss. Length you need not to query. Yeah, in creation, what is there? Insertable false or updatable false? Updatable false. Yeah, tell me. At the rate column. Tell me. Insertable false are not there. Definitely, what is the one we have to take, guys? Insertable false. That's great. One is data properties, other one is what? Metadata properties. So this is purely my entity class story or not there? Okay. Now I'm looking for Vivo class now, my dear. File save as actor Vivo. Okay, but this Vivo should be happening in Vivo package, guys. Yes. com.nt.vivo. MP underscore actor and now all these are not required. Okay, data required, annotations are not required. Non-null may be required. We'll keep non-null. Yes. Here are my metadata properties. One is actor Vivo. Where is actor Vivo, guys? Actor Vivo.java. Yeah, actor Vivo. It's a good practice to make both Java beans, implementing serializable interface or not. Yeah, tell me. Here, implement serializable interface. That's good. Here is what? Actor Vivo. Here is what, guys? Okay. Implements serializable interface. Yeah, and definitely what, guys? Implements what? Serializable interface. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on. Okay. This is actor Vivo. This is what? Actor entity. So we are completely understanding these two things, guys. Fine. So nothing is there. Already we have done in MVC level. Same thing I am continuing. Yeah. Why are implementing serializable? See, there are two reasons for it. Serialization means does not mean only sending data over the network. If you want to write data to a file also, serialization is required or not required. So this data JP internal uses Hibernate, guys. There is a possibility of enabling caching numbers. If RAM memory is not sufficient to keep the data in cache, sometimes we try to use hard disk memory also. Hard disk memory should hold objects data means indirectly file should hold object data. File should hold object data means what? Serialization is required or not required? Got it? I think for you people already I completed Redis cache discussions. Okay, Redis cache generally try to use RAM memory, right? But there are some special configuration which tells to Redis cache, or if your memory is not sufficient in the RAM, don't mind. You can use what? Hard disk memory. Hard disk memory means files data. In files, if you want to write object data, it should be in bits and bytes. Bits and bytes means what? Object should be a normal object or special serializable object. Object should be normal object or special serializable object. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yeah, this is my what, guys? Actor entity dot Java. Yeah, this is my actor entity dot Java. This is my what? Actor Vivo dot Java. Yes, these are the things that are happening or not there, guys. Yeah, actor entity, actor VO. Super, guys. Next one is there, guys. Com.nt dot what service. Com.nt dot. Okay, first try to develop repository now, guys. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on. Okay, new interface. What is there? iActor repository. What is there, guys? iActor repository. JPA repository. Yeah, here is my what? Actor entity. Here is what? Integer. Control plus shift plus O. Yeah, actor entity and what? This one. Fine. Okay, next one. This is my service or not there here. New. What is there? Interface. iActor management service. iActor management service. .java. What is there, guys? Public string. Save actor. Okay, we'll go for save actor, register actor, register actor. Okay, we get VO boss. From end user, we get VO, not the this. We don't get the entity, we get the VO, right? Yeah. Yeah. Actor VO. VO. Actor VO, VO. Yeah. This is the one. Okay, fine. Yeah, that VO we have to convert into entity. It won't be converted automatically. We have to convert into entity. That's fine, guys. Tell me next one. New class. New class. Actor management service IMPL. Add. What is this? iActor management service. iActor management service. Yeah. Tell me here. At the rate service. What's there, guys? At the rate service. What is there, guys? Private. iActor repository. Actor repo. At the rate auto void. At the rate what? Auto void. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Fine. Okay, here we have to convert VO into entity in our boss. Convert VO to entity. Tell me. Actor entity. Entity is equal to new actor entity of. Actor entity. Entity is equal to new actor entity. So I converted VO to entity or not there? I converted VO to what? Entity. Okay, that's fine. No action, still not converted. I'm going to convert. Beanutils dot copy properties. What is this, guys? Source is VO. Destination is what? Entity. Source is VO. Destination is what? Entity. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, tell me. Save the object. Save the object. Tell me. Actor repo dot save. Tell me view. Actor repo dot save entity. Entity dot get AID. Okay. What is there, guys? Actor is registered with ID value plus ID value. Actor is registered with ID value plus register plus ID value. Everyone understanding my statement, my dear? Okay. Yeah. Public string register actor, actor VO, VO. Actor entity, entity, new actor entity. Bnutils dot copy properties, VO comma entity. Save object into ID value. Actor report dot save entity get AID. Actor is registered with ID value plus ID value or not there. Okay. Super guys. Tell me next one. iActor management service. This one. Okay. This is my what? Repository. What is there guys? Repository. Yeah, this is done. Okay. Now we have to develop the REST controller now, my dear. Yeah. Let's take the REST controller. Class. What is there? Actor operations. Actor operations. REST controller. Actor operations, what controller guys? REST controller. Actor operations, REST controller. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, tell me, boss. Yeah, tell me. At the rate REST controller, at the rate request mapping. What is there? Actor API. What API? Actor API. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Actor operations REST controller. Tell me. Private iActor management service. Actor service. At the rate what? Auto. At the rate auto. Tell me. Public string. Public string. Save actor. Okay. Yeah, now along with the request body, that JSON content is going to come, and that too in the form of JSON content as a request body, that to post mode request body. So that data you are looking to keep in entity object or view object. Inputs and output, I don't want to involve entity. I want to involve only view. So super. Tell me. At the rate request body. At the rate request body, actor VO. At the rate request body, actor VO. Everyone getting my point there? At the rate post mapping slash save register, anything you can take. Sir, what is this request body actor view? Whatever JSON content comes along with the request, I want to store into what? View object. That's fine. Okay, now try. Okay, I think better to take response entity here now, boss. So that we get some control on what? Status code and response headers. If you take string, are you going to get any control on status code and response header, guys? Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. A response entity is string. Save actor. At the rate request body, actor VO. What is there, guys? Use service. Use service. String message is equal to actor service dot register actor of VO. Okay. Register actor of VO. See here, no model attribute, nothing. Directly output to what? Consumer. Right? Yeah. Return response entity object. Yeah, return new response entity object. return new response entity object, message comma, HTTP status dot created. I can say it is not just success, something created, right? Success come created. Fine, that is okay. Catch block, guys. If any problem rise, exception E. If any problem raised, exception E. Return new. What is there? Response entity string. Response entity string. E dot get message, or you can write some non-technical message. HTTP status dot internal server error. HTTP status dot internal server error. You're saying some problem is there, right? Okay, that's good. Fine. With this normal, nothing great, only everything looking like MVC only, but here JSON input, I am then trying to put into what? Vivo class object by taking the support of what, guys? By simply literally taking the support of what, guys? At the rate response body annotation. What annotation? Apart from that, nothing great in this example, guys. It's going to be quite regular and common thing or not there. It's going to be quite regular and common thing or not there. That's great. Yeah, tell me. Okay, now property file already taken, na? What is there? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, that is there. Yeah, we want to talk to database. So we want to take MySQL only, we'll take, guys, because Oracle means so much table takes time also, right? So we'll go for what? MySQL. Let's plan to interact with what? MySQL database software. Today is 19 or 20? Huh? 19. Okay, fine. I think another 3-4 sessions are required for what? A RESTful web service. Then 15 sessions minimum required for microservices. So 24th you RESTful API, and from there 15 session. Okay, I think December 10th you have to prepare. Okay, and in middle few concepts are there, almost maximum common topics are over, few are there. So that anyhow I'm planning on weekends, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Everything comes in a order, it will come. JDBC driver details. If you are not happened also, don't worry. Like for 11 o'clock student, though batch completed, they're still attending what? Common topics. You people also will attend what? Common topics one by one. Though officially 7 p.m. slots complete by first week or second week of December, you can still attend what? Common topics in parallel slots, in weekend slots. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, tell me, boss. Spring dot data source dot and driver class name. Oracle dot JDBC dot data source dot URL. Oracle. Oh, I decided to work with this. Am I going? Am I going too slow? Is good? Because how much I tried, it is touching 5 months, yeah. Minimum 5 months it is touching. Sometime it is entering into 6 months also. That's a dip. Okay, fine. But what I can cut, I don't know. Should I cut anything unnecessarily? Huh? Is okay? 5 to 6 months definitely required. Yeah, because I already said 100 to 120 sessions anyhow required. Number of sessions wise 120 only, but number of days definitely. We don't work all 30 days in a month. We on and average 24-25 sessions only will come, right? 4 Sundays sometimes. Initially we have not worked. Later on common topics we are working. So 1-2 days from my side leave will be there, holidays will be there, right? So if you count 24 sessions per month, okay, 120 by 24, how much it is? 5 months. Okay, fine. But Dasara vacation and other vacations have come, right? Okay. So let it be. Yeah, Spring dot data source dot driver class name. Where is this? org dot mysql dot jdbc dot what is there? Drive. So 1 2 months maybe I may be taking 1 month extra, but look at the content that you are getting, confidence you are getting. Are you able to write applications on your own or not there? And moreover, my basic thing is I want to do live coding. I don't want to open any ready-made applications. Okay, I maximum time 99% I am trying to use what? Live code, because I want to see you people how I am thinking, how I am designing application. Earlier I used to give live notes also, but if I had start typing the notes in front of you, it is touching another 3 4 months. Then I decided, fine, let's reuse something which is already there. Because in notes maximum, what happened? 90% same, 10% additions will be there. Anyhow, I'm doing for every batch, right? That is continuous process. Deleting old thing, adding new things. So that's why I'm reusing that notes, and at least coding, whatever it is, whatever the situation, I can, because if I don't do live coding, you don't get that feel. Yeah. But I don't know, like other faculties are completing in 3 months, 4 months. Am I spending too much time on Spring Core? Huh? All good only. Sometimes I feel I'm spending too much time on Spring Core. Because if I don't spend time, you will lose interest of programming. Because I think Spring Core itself touching 2 months, huh? 1 month, 1.5 months is touching. I have to think something on it. But without that, we cannot do excellence in other places, right? Because I think first application launch itself, it takes 15 days for me, right? Preparation, background preparation, because we have to start from what? What is language to what is container to? We have to start from 0%, right? Fine. Everything is good. Nothing to cut. But your problem is the duration. Management keep on saying, sir, 5 months, 6 months. Huh? No, that's fine. But as long as your cooperation is there, I can convince them. If you also start saying more duration, means I'm helpless. I have to start cutting the things. Okay, fine. JDBC colon, MySQL colon, 3 slashes. What is the batch code? NTSP. BMSI, SP. Some wrong name is there. Some wrong name is there in MySQL, guys. Our MySQL, some spell mistake has come, if I am not wrong. Connection 1. SPMBS. Yeah. It's a 718. 718 right name only, na? SPBMS. SPBMS 718. Spring dot data source dot username system. Spring dot data source dot what is there? Password. Spring dot data source dot this root pass. JDBC colon MySQL colon 3 slashes. Okay. Yeah, tell me, JPA properties also required or not required? Yeah. Spring dot JPA dot database platform. org dot hibernate dot what is there? Dialect dot what is there? MySQL 8 dialect. Spring dot data JPA dot come on. Show hyphen SQL. Show hyphen SQL, how much, guys? True. Spring dot JPA dot auto. What is the value? Best value update. The best value is update now, my dear. Okay, that's good. The best value is what? Update. Okay. Yeah, actor management service IMPL, right? Okay. All set. I think now we have to run and test this one now, boss. Right click, run on server. Huh? Okay, fine. You want to take some default values now? Okay. Actor entity. Okay, good observation. So I don't want to have any value for it. By default, it's better to keep active. That's fine. And one more thing, when you save the object, okay, entity dot set created by, right now, no login username password to get, guys. System dot get property. What is there? User dot name. System dot get property user dot name. Right click, tell me, run on server. Say next. Remove all. Save finish. Save OK. What happened? SPBMS. Yeah, actually it's trying to establish connection, guys. Since we have given wrong logical DB, it's giving error. The word DB is missing. Fine. Right click. What's there? Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Yeah. Open Postman tool, guys. Open what? Postman tool. Open Postman tool, guys. Yeah. It's better to create a project or not there. Boot rest pros. 09. Okay, where is this? Mini project. Mini project. Add request, guys. Add request. Okay, fine. Request one, save. Request one, save. It should send post mode request. Here is the URL, guys. Here is my what? URL. Okay. Mini project. Tell me next one. Actor API. Save. Slash actor API slash save. Body raw JSON. Body raw JSON. Okay. Body raw JSON. Okay, fine. Next. What is there, guys? Chat GPT. Okay. Let's see. Chat GPT. Gemini, you want? Gemini, you want to use, guys? Fine. Where is this Chat GPT? People are habituated with this, huh? Go to actor view. Take this, guys. Shift to enter key to get a new line. Arre? Oh, I pressed control. Huh? Okay. No, XML data is giving. Based on the previous history, it's giving me what? XML. Give me JSON. JSON data having Indian samples. Give me JSON data having what? Indian samples. Allu Arjun, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Remuneration 90.5 CR. Date of birth is what? 1982 408. August 4th. Fine. Okay. Tell me here. Say paste. Pasted or not there? AID Allu Arjun, this kind. AID is not required. It will be generated dynamically, guys. Yeah, this is coming in what? 4-wise MMDD. Whether is it suitable or not? If not suitable, what to do? We will discuss, right? Yeah. Is suitable or not? Okay. Compatible or not? We have to check. Actor is registered with ID value 1000. Okay. So that means by default 4-wise MMDD pattern is suitable or not there. Suppose you want to give in some other pattern, then you have to go for some configuration. I think in the REST API document, those date format, some element, something is there, na XML element. Some annotations I have kept, na boss? Yeah, right. Suppose if you give in some other format, for example, save only. Okay, Allu Arjun is okay. Okay, Ram Charan. Ram Charan, Jubilee Hills. 95.6. Okay, array some number, fine. 1982-01, right? But I'll try to give in some other pattern. Okay. DD 4M 1982. 1982. Click on send button. You're getting error, bad request error or not there. Look at the server console. Cannot deserialize of type local date string 04/1982 fail to deserialize to local date. We are getting the problem or not there, guys. Okay. Yeah. See, if you give in 4 wise MMDD, it is converted automatically. But if it is given other than that, some conversion, some pattern you have to specify are not there. Okay. Now we'll ask ChatGPT. Some annotation is there to specify, but I forgot. Okay, no problem. We have okay. We have ChatGPT or what Google this one. How to convert DDMM 4 wise date format JSON data to okay Java Bean class object while working with at the rate response body annotation. Give me sample code. What code, guys? Give me sample code. Yeah, fine. This is what? At the rate JSON format. Format dot shape dot string. Pattern is what? DDMMYY. That's fine. So remaining things, are you worried, boss? No. Are you worried about remaining things? No. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, we'll maintain this format only. Throughout the application, we try to give in this format. Happened is happened. JSON format, control plus shift plus O. Format dot string, overall string. Pattern is what? DDMM4 wise. Okay, let's see. You stop it. I hope it has to take the changes. Actually, no need of restarting. Anyhow, DevTools is added. Boss. Huh? Yeah, it should be Vivo only. No? Vivo only. No. Because JSON data to request body is converting JSON data to Vivo na entity na. Say something, guys. Vivo na. Once in the Vivo, it is a local date. Entity also local date. Is there any need of conversion? We are supporting JSON to Vivo, which is done by request body, right? You thought for a database you are doing. No, database we need not to do. Once you give local date, it will be inserted in Oracle pattern. It will be inserted in MySQL pattern. So that part, the data JPA and JDBC will take care. You need not to do those conversions. Ultimately, you have to give local data and local time objects. Inserting into database in the pattern that is supported by what? Underlying database software will be taken care what? Automatically and what? Internally. You need not to do that work manually, guys. Okay, fine. Run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Say finish. Yeah. Come to Postman, my dear. Click on what? Send button. Now registered, na boss? That means it is, though I have given different format, it is converted or not there. It is converted till Vivo only. In the Vivo, it's a local date. Entity also local date. In the database, it will be inserted in the pattern that database support. And MySQL still support what? 4 wise MMDD only. In the database, it is going to be what? 4 wise MMDD. Got it? Right. Go to MySQL 718DB MP underscore actor underscore table. Select rows. Fine. Look at this, guys. Created by Natras, that's fine. DOB 1982, this one. So there's no, see, whatever you give, but it will be inserted in the pattern that database software supports or not. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now I want to go for save all. I want to insert multiple objects at a time. Okay, na? All right. Super guys. Okay, now tell me here. Public string register actors batch. Not an actor, you want to register multiple actors at a time. List actor VO. List VO. List actor VO. List VO. List actor VO. List VO. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone, getting my point? Yes. That's good. Great. Okay, let's stop for some time. You have to implement this one or not, guys? Register. Okay. Use repo. List. First we have to convert what? List of actors to list of entities are not there. Okay. Convert list VO to list entities. List entity. Convert list VO to list entity. List VO to list entity. List VO dot for each. What guys? List VO dot for each. Understanding my statement. List VO dot for each. List VO dot for each. First of all, list actor entity. What is there? List entity is equal to new actor entity of list actor entity. List entity is equal to new array list of. What is there, guys? New array list of. Are you getting my point there, guys? List actor entity, list entity is equal to new array list of. Yeah, tell me, boss. List VO dot for each VO arrow. List VO dot for each VO arrow. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Okay. List VO dot for each VO. Tell me, next one. Yeah, we have to copy each actor entity to this one or not. Actor entity is equal to new actor entity of bnutils dot copy properties VO comma entity. Bnutils dot copy properties VO dot entity. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Yeah, bnutils dot copy properties VO comma entity. Lastly, we have to add what? List entity dot add. What is their entity? At the end of this loop, tell me, we are ready with copy data or not there? We are ready with copied data. Okay, what's happening? For each VO. What's the error? Yeah, flower bracket. Order is missing. Fine. Yeah, done, boss. We are ready with this. We are definitely ready this. Yeah, followed by this. What's the next thing to concentrate, guys? List VO dot for each VO. Okay, now we have to use a repo. Already there it seems. Yeah, use a repo. Yeah, tell me how to use this repo, my dear. Actor repo dot save all list entity. List entity. Got it? Yes. List actor entity. Saved entities. List actor entities, saved entities. Or otherwise, saved entities is equal to this. Saved objects will come or not there. Saved objects will come or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. Great. List actor entities, saved entities is equal to actor repo dot save all list entity. But from there, I just want to get the ID values, right? Yes. Okay, we have other old logic now, boss. Get ID values. How to get these ID values, guys? Remembered? List integer IDs is equal to saved entities dot. What dot, guys? Saved entities dot. Are you getting my point there? Saved entities dot. Come on. Okay. Saved entities dot. Saved entities dot. Are you getting my point, my dear? Saved entities dot. Stream dot. Map. Stream dot map of. Come on. Stream dot map. Okay. What is there? Entity, yeah? There, you are looking for entity only now, boss? Yeah. Actor entity colon. Actor entity colon. Come on. Get AID. Get AID. Actor entity colon get AID to what list? To list. Tell me here, where is the story? Tell me here, where is the story, guys? Okay. List saved entity dot saved entities dot size number of what, guys? Actors are saved with ID values plus IDs. Okay, that's great. Now we have to develop the controller class 9, boss. Okay. Copy this, paste it. At the rate this one, save all. String only, save actors batch. Okay, list actor VO. List VO. Yeah, it should be converted into list or not there, guys. Super. String message is equal to actor service dot register. Where is this list? Yeah. List VO, list VO, list actors batch. What's there, guys? Actors batch. Okay, fine. Message comma created internal error. Message comma created and what? Internal error. Understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Save all. Now we have to test this application now, boss. Okay, we have to give array of JSON document. What document? Array of JSON document. Okay, that's good. Right click, tell me, run on server. Say next. Say finish. Okay. I think ChatGPT multiple not there. Okay. Give me bunch list of JSON docs for the above Vivo class. See whether it understands or not. Yeah, it's giving boss. But again, Allu Arjuna. Many things came. Just give me three, three inputs. Three inputs. Oh, exclude Allu Arjun and add more other actors. Fine, we'll change a few things, guys. Who is Supriya? Surya, na? Okay. Rashmika Mandana, Bangalore. AID not required. AID not required. AID not required. Huh? You want Balaya? You people knows Balaya? Huh? You know Balaya? Okay. Hmm. No, no. See, Mama knowing Balaya is not a great news. Maybe you die for Balaya also. Okay. Okay, fine. But others knowing Balaya is fine. I think his new movie is coming national wide, it seems. Akhanda. So be prepared for a lot of overaction. Right. I think I should not disturb the existing setup, guys. 1 minute. Plus 1 minute. Plus request to. What is there? Save all. Post mode. Go to this. Save. Save all. 1 minute. From here, we have to gather this URL now. Go to save all. Say paste. Everything is same save all. Body post. Raw. Say paste. Paste means this. I changed it, but later I copied some other URL. Ra. Okay, your favorite Balaya is there. Okay. Done. Done. This is done, guys. JSON. Click on send button. Oh, we got the error. Save all. Save all is not there. Huh? A capital I have taken. Click on send button. Three numbers of factors are saved with what? 1002, 1003, 1000. Let's check. Refresh. They are coming or not there? Okay, fine. It's a partial information, but still many things to do. And exception handling also I'm doing locally in each endpoint. We need to prefer global exception handling. In MVC, I played with error.jsp 404, but today I cannot play because browser is not the client, JSP is not allowed. So I have to do something else, my dear. Yeah, that we will discuss. Many things are there to improvise. 1 minute, stay back. I think people are asking MVC projects are not uploaded. Mamu is fighting on me with other day after the class. With a serious face. No, you changed so many things, so you are not uploaded. I said I will upload. Okay. I appreciate his dedication towards practicals. Yeah, where is the batch code? 17th July? No. 5th June. Okay. Here is my what, guys? Spring Boot data JPA or something else, guys? Spring Boot data JPA or something else? REST.